So we'll start with the third sum of compressive design. So in this sum, you need to calculate the load carrying capacity of the two ISA, that is the two Indian standard angle of the size 150 by 75 by 10 mm connected to each other by the following condition. So in this particular sum, they have given you the conditions as well as they have given you the two Indian standard angles, that is the two ISA sections is being given to you of the size 150 by 75 by 10 mm is connected to each other by the two conditions. First one is the angles are placed on the opposite side of the gusset plate. जो आपके दोनों angles हैं that are placed on the opposite side of the gusset plate whose thickness is 10 mm, and second condition is given to you that the angles are placed on the same side of the gusset plate and the longer side is connected to each other with the length 2 meter and the hinge condition. So first case में उन्होंने आपको क्या बोला है? First case में they have told you that the angles are placed on the opposite side of the gusset plate जिसकी thickness है 10 mm, और second case में उन्होंने आपको बोला है angles are placed on the same side of the gusset plate. So उसमें उन्होंने क्या बोला है? Longer side are connected to each other. अगर सेम साइड में कनेक्टेड है तो दोनों भी लॉन्गर साइड एक दूसरे को कनेक्टेड है विद द लेंथ 2 मीटर, as well as they have told you that the condition is hinge over here. So just note down the question and after completing let me know so that we can proceed for the solution. Yes. After completing let me know so that we can proceed further.
That man.
Yes, done. All of you had completed the question. Yes, everyone had completed the question. Okay. What about others?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now we'll start with the first case. When angles are placed on the opposite side of the gusset plate, as you can see over here, ये जो बीच में है that is nothing but the gusset plate. और ये दोनों जो एंगल है that are placed on the opposite side, तो ये दोनों एंगल्स आप देख सकते हो ये opposite side में placed है for on the gusset plate. ये बीच वाली जो है गसेट प्लेट है और ये दोनों एंगल सेक्शंस है that is of the size 150 by 75 by 10 mm. So the size of the angle section is given to you. Both the angles are of the same size, that is 150 by 75 by 10 mm. So first you need to check width to thickness ratio. So for that, the same formulas you are going to use that you had used in the earlier two sums. So first V by T, V is nothing but the width, that is 75, it is given in the question, and 10 is nothing but the thickness. So the ratio comes up to be 7.5. It is less than 15.7. So here your design is safe for B by T. Same for D by T. Again depth is your 150 and thickness is 10. So it is less than 17.5 epsilon. So here also your design is safe for depth upon thickness ratio. Then the third is B plus D by T. So width plus depth by T, that is 75 by plus 150 by 10. So it is 22.5. Again, these ratios should be less than 25 epsilon. So your design is safe for the width to thickness ratio. So complete your first step, and after completing the first step, let me know. And if anyone is having any of the doubt in this particular step, you can ask. Like this attendance, there should be in each and every lecture, more than this. Be present regularly. This is the designing subject, so you need the attendance is mandatory to everyone. Yes, completed. After completing, let me know. Yes, it will be shown by tomorrow. Currently, your attendance will not be shown on the CMSY portal. Very quickly, your attendance will be visible to everyone. Yes, completed up till here, all of you. Yes, completed.
Completed one.
Okay. Okay, so then the gross sectional area for this particular ISS section is given to you as 2156. Why multiplying by 2? As they have given you the two angle section, so you need to multiply it by 2. अगर जब भी आपको दो angle section दिए रहते हैं, so every time you have to multiply it by 2 to the gross sectional area. So here the gross sectional area for the one angle section wait gross area for the one angle section is 2156 into 2. Wait. See here, the gross sectional area for the one angle section is 2156. As the two angle sections are given to you, you need to multiply it by 2. So AG will be 4312 mm square. Now you need to calculate lambda. Lambda is nothing but the slenderness ratio. Slenderness ratio, for the formula to calculate slenderness ratio is KL upon R minimum. Again, KL, it is given to you in the question, that is 2 meter, but you need to multiply it by 1000 as you are going to convert it in mm. mm में convert कर रहे हो, इसलिए ये क्या हुआ 2000. Again, R minimum you will get from the steel table. So substitute the value of R minimum, that is the radius of gyration, from the steel table. then the value of lambda comes up to be 68.95. So it is less than the value that is given in your IS 800-2007, that is the standard value. So IS 800-2007 के हिसाब से स्लैंडरनेस रेशियो की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है 180. सो इट शुड नॉट एक्सीड बियॉन्ड दैट. सो आपकी वैल्यू आती है 68.95. सो योर डिजाइन इज सेफ फॉर द स्लैंडरनेस रेशियो. सो कंप्लीट अप टिल हियर, एंड इफ एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन आस्क.
Man, the value 2156, you got it from steel table.
Yes. So after completing, let me know. Everybody had got the value for slenderness ratio, that is lambda. Is done up in here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
And as we have seen in the morning itself that there are two methods for calculating the FCD. So this one is the shortest method. So we will see this method to calculate FCD. So lambda की value आपकी आई है 68.95. So the smaller value over here is 60 and the larger value over here is 70. This we are taken from the IS 800-2007. So आपकी लैम्बडा के लिए 60 लैम्बडा के लिए FCD की वैल्यू कितनी है 168. And again for this one, that is for the 70, that is for the higher one, the value for FCD is 152. Now you need to calculate the value for 68.95. जैसे आपको लास्ट स्टेप में स्लेंडरनेस रेशियो की वैल्यू कितनी मिली थी 68.95. तो उसके लिए now you are going to calculate FCD. So by using the method of interpolation, same method that you had used in the morning, तो मॉर्निंग में जो इंटरपोलेशन की मेथड यूज की थी वही मेथड आपको यूज करना है और आपको एफसीडी कैलकुलेट करना है. सो आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग एफसीडी यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट द कॉम्प्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ. you need to calculate the design compressive strength. So design compressive strength PD will be AE into FCD. So AE की वैल्यू है आपकी that is the gross sectional area that will be 4312 into FCD. FCD आपको कितना मिला 153.68. तो उस पे से आपको PD की वैल्यू मिलती है 662.668 किलो न्यूटन. So solve up till here. के which के कौन सा के KL अपॉन आर मिनिमम में क्या Yes, Neha, you are talking about the value for the lambda. जब हम slenderness ratio calculate कर रहे हो तब का K पूछ रहे हो क्या? KL upon R minimum. Yeah, that you have to consider the value for length only. In that case, KL is nothing but the effective length that is given to you in the question. So at that time you will consider the effective length what is there being given in your question. Now in this particular question, the length is given to you, but in the last sum length हमें दी नहीं थी, तो हमने क्या assume की थी? We had assumed the length as 2.5. Effective length, that is L effective, will be equals to K into L. Okay, understood? Okay, everyone had done up till here. Everyone had got the value for the compressive strength PD. Okay. अभी इसके बाद में सेम फॉर द मेथड 2 जो हमने मॉर्निंग में देखी है, मेथड 2 से भी आप लोग कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो.